Colors for kids. Hello kids, let's learn about the colors.
This color is red. Apple is red. Strawberry is red. Next is orange. Fish is orange. Carrot is orange. Next is yellow. Banana is yellow. Sun is yellow. Next is green. Pear is green. Leaf is green. Next is light blue. Flower is light blue. Cap is light blue. Next is purple. Eggplant is purple. Lollipop is purple. Next is pink. Star is pink. Butterfly is pink.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.